Hello world. Oh wow, there goes the Intimidator. I always have to stop for Intimidator. It's always going when I'm doing these videos, but hello world. We're at Carowinds apparently. Yeah, we're gonna go in today to do a little update. It is August 7th, and there's some new things happening in Carowinds. I know they've got this little VIP thing going on. There's a Prestige Pass that's coming out, so I think they kind of have something in common. And then they're also renovating the area where Plants vs. Zombies was, right where the Southern Star, all the way down to the bumper cars. So we're gonna get a little construction update for that as well. And I don't expect to see any Carowinds stuff out yet. I'm probably expecting them closer to September, but we'll go see if there's something over there that resembles Carowinds today too. So enough talking, let's go in there and have some fun. It is a Sunday right now, so you can see that the cars go all the way down here and they stop right here at the edge of in the middle of the Intimidator. So I'm expecting it to be a fairly empty day today. Before we head into Carowinds, I like to remind you that we do a lot of videos on this place. This is our home park. We do a lot of videos on Carowinds and the surrounding area, so if you want to see those videos in the future, you might want to hit that subscribe button right now. There they go. That is a big drop right there. Alright, we have been securitized. Headed on into Carowinds, and there is a little bit of new stuff up here on this front stage, so let's go take a look at that. The stage has been changed over. They've got some walls up here blocking our view, I don't think that's part of the stage. I think that's just blocking our view. But yeah, it's no longer State Line Celebration anymore. It's this. I don't really know what this is, but it has changed. On the way around the park, I always like to stop in this first little merch store here. I don't remember seeing this shirt right here. It's kind of funny to me. It says, "I survived Nighthawk." Nighthawk has been down for quite a while. I don't know if Nighthawk survived us, but I don't remember this shirt here. And then this one right here that says High Intensity, where the Carolinas come together. That's pretty cool. And then they got the gray version of that and the black version of that right there. We got some mugs here. And a pretty cool hat. Nighthawk is still down, just like I talked about earlier. Seems like this thing, I don't think it opened up at all this year yet. Hopefully it opens up and we get some rides in on it though by the end of 2022. I found something new. Right in front of the Intimidator is this big old tent right here. And it is a VIP lounge. Now that is brand new to Carowinds, like I think within the week. And as you can see here, we got some checkers and TVs and couches and things. You get complimentary drinks over there and snacks and everything. And on these TVs, they're gonna play sports games, and they're also gonna have like a kids channel. Now, how do you get it? You can either get the new Prestige Pass for Cedar Fair, or you can spend $30 a day to get the VIP Lounge Pass. How in the world do people do this? Now, I am not a wuss when it comes to rides, but I think this goes over my limit. What did you say?
I'm more apt to do that one than the slingshot. Now, that doesn't mean
so that means you're gonna do it?
No. That's not what I said.
Shake Central also has a new shake here. It's called the Banana Split Shake. Right there you go. It's got bananas on top. It looks good. We might get that later on. Oh, you got the donut shake, the donut shop shake. We might get the Banana Split Shake later on when it cools down a little bit, because when you get it now, it just melts really fast because it is hot right now. The Snoopy store has a new crane game right here. I don't remember seeing that. You get one of those big, what are they called, Squishables? Is that it? Let's go see. I stand corrected. Squishmallows, Squishmallows. Mellows, how do you say that? If there is one good thing about Camp Snoopy, it is all the shade down here at the bottom. There's not as much shade up at the top of Camp Snoopy, but down here, I am A-okay. It looks like Rita's has been moved from the area over near the bumper cars over here to Camp Snoopy. And remember, they're doing some construction work over there where the bumper cars are, so I guess this is moved here. I don't know if it's temporary or not, but everything here looks absolutely wonderful. I think I'd get a thing or two here, maybe a thing or three. Oh look, they got a Copperhead Frostbite drink. Got mango and pineapple in it. That looks good. And if you're wondering the exact location of this, it is right connected to the Camp Snoopy Theater on the other side, underneath the Intimidator. The Woodstock Express is running. I haven't seen that run very much this year. It has began to rain over here at the Afterburn, but this is one of our big updates. Notice this walkway down here is closed. Yo-Yo is not running. Plants vs. Zombies is not running. This entire section is walled off. They're going to be renovating this whole thing. I don't know if you can see, but there is like construction vehicles over there. It looks like they got a cart out here taking stuff out of PVZ. But this whole area is going to be renovated, and they have been dropping hints and clues as to what it's going to be on their Instagram and Facebook, and I have been sharing them out. So if you're interested in seeing that, either follow them or follow me, or how about you do both? That might help everybody out. And out of nowhere we have a little rainstorm coming through, but I don't think it should last long. It's just one of those things that pop up. I mean, the weather here is nowhere near as extreme as Florida, but it's very similar. Like, you'll just be enjoying the day, and next thing you know, you get something like this. But it'll go away soon. I was trying to show you all some of the hints and things as to what that area is going to be. They have a few posters up on the barricades, but man, this is just not letting up. Look at this rain. You can see it better there in the water. My goodness. We made a run for Harmony Hall, but so did everybody else. I might try to get some food here and eat, but I'm telling you all, the tables in here are all packed. I've never seen Harmony Hall have no empty spaces, and I don't think anybody's going to leave in this rainstorm. So I don't know where we're going to eat our food, but we might get food and try. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't remember seeing these desserts here. I don't know what that is. I thought it was banana pudding at first, but it's some sort of cake. You can see the cake right there. And then here's some sort of pie, like a green pie, maybe key lime. And I think that is banana pudding. We've gotten our food, and look at how crowded it is. We actually lucked up and found a table in the bar area to eat our barbecue. This is what it looks like. I got mine completely free-ish because I have the food plan, the dining plan. So I didn't pay anything for this. I just walked up and scanned my card. If you eat here for more than, what would you say, about 10, 12 times, definitely worth it, so check into it. But this pulled pork usually comes on a sandwich, like on a bun. I didn't want to get the bun because I'm trying to lose a little pounds, and it's a good way to cut carbs. But anyways, I think it looks good. It just walked by me with t-shirts that said the Coaster Friends. I might have to look that up. But I'm going to go ahead and tell you all, it is way too rainy to buy a banana split shake. I'm not going to be doing that today because Harmony Hall was becoming a little bit crowded. A little extracurricular activity was going on, and I'm not buying that and taking it back in there. So what I think I'm going to do is head back over here and see if we can see any more information, any more hints or anything on what's coming over here where the Southern Star was. Over towards that construction side of the park. Now this is new. Over here at this funnel cake stand, they have a strawberry fluffer nutter funnel cake. It looks like it's got nutter butters in it and strawberries and things. It says it was created by Allison Hicks, the winner of Carowinds' funnel cake recipe contest. So I guess they had a contest here, and she won it. Go her. Looks good. Now, I noticed something else while I was over here at Camp Snoopy on my way to the barricades to see the posters. The Snoopy canoe is gone right now, but I don't think that's going to stay that way forever. They'll probably bring it back. If they might change the design, I don't know, but I wouldn't expect that to be gone forever. We've made it back up to the top where Afterburn is, and I wanted to point this out. My super slow zoom. What is that right there? Is that the Southern Star? It looks like it, along with some construction stuff, and as I don't know, this whole area is being torn down. I hope whatever comes in is good. This is a pretty fun area. I always think of Carnival when I come here. Now, I videoed this earlier and forgot and left stability off. See, when you turn the stability off, it gives you a wider angle. So I don't know if this is going to be a broken video or what, but I wanted to film this with stability on because it's not going to shake as much. But we got 3 posters here that are going to give us a hint to what's coming in this area over where the Southern Star and Plants vs. Zombies was. And right here it says the exploration begins August 11th. Now I am on the media list and I have not heard of anything that they're gonna announce on August 11th. I haven't been invited to anything or nothing, but we have like a Zeppelin blimp kind of thing here, kind of steampunk looking. It says the fantasy of flight comes to life. Unlimited flights with a golden ticket. So they may have some sort of steampunk thing going on. I don't know, but definitely aviation. Here's the next poster over here. It says strap in, buckle up. You got like some sort of acrobat on top of an airplane, and it says it's the Flying Circus, Fort Mill, South Carolina. I always look at numbers like this and think, like, is this a secret? A11S23? Is that a hint to something? I don't know. Test your bravery. It says join the crew and become a member of the aviation club today. So unless that A11S23 is a clue, then I don't know. I don't see any clues on that except for the aviation part, obviously. This poster says setting the stage for curiosity to soar, and it's got some crazy looking airplane on here. Never did see that. It looks like a Da Vinci airplane or something like that. It says come fly the Carolina skies, and it's kind of funny because it's 8/11. So again, the other poster said that there's something coming. Expiration begins August 11th. This poster also references August 11th. So I'm definitely expecting some sort of aviation theme to go over here. As pretty much confirmed. I mean, the posters have all said that, and they've released a lot of reels and things on Instagram that show aviation. So definitely going to be some airplanes and things over there. I don't know what kind of rides are going to be over there. I've heard some rumors of flat rides. I hope that they put a water ride over there. I really do. Nothing is confirmed. This is all just talking on a camera. I don't know anything about any of the rides that's coming over here. But I have heard a rumor of the flat rides. But dear Lord, let's get a water ride in here, please, please. Over here next to Boo Blasters and Chick-fil-A, they've got this little kiosk set up, and it says it's the employee of the century is Zombos, and then underneath it says, of course. That's kind of funny. Now this was a merch stand for like discount Plants vs. Zombies stuff where it is being demolished and replaced with something else. Unfortunately, it did rain, so they have closed it up. And I think today was the last day they were going to do it. So hopefully it opens back up and maybe I can get me a Plants vs. Zombies shirt. I don't know. Here's our second entrance into that area, right where the Southern Star was. Look at that. It's already torn down. No more boat, no Southern Star. But yeah, there's no different posters here. They were all the same as the ones that I just mentioned earlier in the video. So no new clues on this entrance, but we'll go to the other entrance, the last one that we have to go to, and see if there's anything different. Maybe we can get a different view of this area. Copperhead Strike's back up and running after that terrible storm. And I never noticed this little bent pipe up here, this little loopy pipe. Have you guys ever noticed that? Over here at the bumper car entrance to this area is nothing new. It's the same 3 style posters, except they did put a bench here for us to wait on it to be built. But yeah, I don't see anything over there except for that huge crane, and I guess that was for the Southern Star. So nothing new down here, but man, I'm getting excited for this. Walking through here just brings back so many memories of Dead Man's Revenge. You remember that big skull fountain with the water that came out of the eyeballs and the mermaid and the captain and all? Gosh, I'm ready for Halloween. Can we have Halloween and summer together? I don't know, man. I like summer. Halloween is like the sign that summer is ending, but I like Halloween too. But I don't want summer to end. What do we do? I am so excited for Carowinds. Like, I am so ready for Halloween, y'all. I mean, I love my summer and all, but the cooler weather and all the spooky stuff coming out, I love that stuff. It's one of my most favorite times of the year. So I will be doing a few videos for Carowinds, like opening day, hopefully a media event, like some updates and things. So if you're interested in that, you all make sure you hit the subscribe button because I am so excited for it. I'm gonna go video crazy for Halloween. I keep talking about Carowinds, but I also want to make note that they have a great pumpkin fest for little kids. It starts on the 17th of September, runs to October 30th. It is not scary at all, and it's for kids of pretty much all ages. And here's your Carowinds poster. Got a clown in the eyeball right there. It says fear is waiting for you, and it says select nights for September 16th through October 30th. I gotta talk really loud over this music, but right here, I was talking about the stage earlier, and I failed to mention that it's actually a show called the Sunset Party Mix. There's your times right now, and I've never seen it before. It's about 8:45, but I don't see any indication that it's gonna happen. Maybe it won't because of the rain, maybe it won't because it's Sunday, maybe it will later, I don't know, but we gotta get out of here. I seriously found the best place to get water here at Carowinds. Look at the size of these cups. Most other places in Carowinds give you like little Dixie cups to drink from. Look at the size of this thing. Look at the size of this thing. That thing. Can't remember the quote, but it's from Star Wars. And with that being said, I think that's going to wrap our trip up here for Carowinds. I hope you all enjoyed that little August update. There were a few new things. We got to see some construction going on at the bumper car area near Southern Star, and got to try some food, and we even saw a new funnel cake out here. So I hope you all had as good a time as I did. Thank you all for watching, and thank you for playing. Bye.